Zab's project, and today we're working on a 350Z, removing a rear diff, axles, wheels, brakes, and the brake discs. And we're at my man Jazz's house, whose car it is, and we take his stuff as he's underneath the car as we speak right now. See what you doing?
So we're going to take the diff. We're going to show you how to take the diff off today, and if you show me the camera I can go briefly over it. There you go. So today we are taking the diff off a 350Z. As you can see, we have from the axle to the diff, we have these bolts here. I believe there's 6 of them, 14 mil this side and the other side. Then we got the diff bolts, which are 17 mil on each side, and I believe there's one on the back. So once you remove this, here they're gone. Oh, yeah. So once you remove this one, you remove the two, and you remove that side axle, and you got two 17 mil here, one 17 mil on the back, and you got some cables which I will show you in a minute. So let me take these bolts off. Let me take those 17 mil, take those 14 mils, and the 17 mil in the back, and I'll show you from the back. There's a few more bolts, and then you obviously take the drive shaft, which are gonna be 14 mil bolts. So two 17, one 17 in the back, but before you take them off, you got the 14 mils over here, 14 mils on that side, and then you have I believe these are 17 mil actually. Yeah, sorry, 17 mil, 17, 14. All right, so we have removed 14 mil 6 bolts over, 14 mil 6 bolts over here. Remove the 14 mil 6 bolts over there. We've got 17 mil bolts which are holding the diff, one over here and this one over here, so they're loose. And we got 17 mil bolt over here, and then we got two center plugs, one over there, one over there. I believe they're 12 mil bolts, but instead of taking them, this, when you come on the back of the subframe, this is your plug for the sensors. So just remove that, then you got a tie rack sitting on top of the subframe, remove that, and now that is loose, so we can, I'm not sure if you can see it, but that's loose, so you can take that off. And we're going to remove this 70 mil bolt. Okay, now the diff is held by those two bolts underneath here, one there and one over there, because there's nothing's holding from here now. And then you've got a breather pipe which I've cut because I don't need it. I'm going to put this diff on a R33, so I've cut that breather pipe that goes on top of the diff in here. I'm not sure where it goes from the car, but I believe it's held by some clamps. So now what we're going to do, we're going to jack the diff up, and we'll take those 17 mil bolts, and hopefully the diff should be able to come down now gradually. So that's all you need to do. Right, so we are going to jack the diff, just hold it in position. I'll bring it back a bit more. There. That's it, that should be do. Now we're going to go in front and we'll remove the two 17 mils, and then we'll drop the jack down. We got the bolts out. These are the 17 mil bolts at the front of the diff. Now we are going to lower the diff and hopefully it should come off. Hope for the best. So Abs, just lower the jack.
Slowly, yeah?
Yeah, 1 second, let me get me. Yeah, go on. Slowly, slowly. Yep, it's coming down. It's gonna get stuck. So if you could take those, I forgot what the bar's called, but if you can take that off, it'd be so much easier. Sway bar, yeah. But we're not taking the sway bar if we're trying to maneuver it across. So, yep. Well, there goes your axle shaft, and that goes your mount. Alright, hold the jack there. So now we're going to have to jack it from the front to get it over this sway bar and bring it back down. So we're going to do that. We're going to take this off, and then we'll show you how it looks once it's off. And finally, there is the diff. So as I was saying, you've got 17 mil, 17 mil, you got 14 mil, no sorry, 17 mil, 17 mil, 4 17 mil, 4 17 mils over here, 14 mil 6 over there, 14 mil 6 over there. You have these sensor cable which goes over the subframe with the tie rack. Unplug that. You got 70 mil over here, and then you got this breather pipe here
And also you tell them that you need to get the sway bar off to
Yeah.
release this diff.
Yeah, and then you got this breather pipe here which we cut. And once you've done that, you got to come underneath. The sway bar, you got 240 mils over this side, 240 mils over that side, and the sway bar comes down. Once it comes down, you got enough room to wiggle the diff out. And there are your axle shafts. If I come in a bit more to show you the sway bar.
Sick as a sound right now.
So there you go. So focus. There. These are your sway bars, 40 mil there. You got two on this side and two on that side over there. Take them off, pull the sway bar down, and they can come down. And yep, that is your diff there. Do you want to say anything before I finish it off?
The sway bar thing,
Yeah, I'll show them that.
Otherwise, it's just tedious and hard work at the same time. And if rust's a bit rusty, I'd lubricate WD-40 for like half a day and then just jump on it.
Yeah, we didn't do that, but it came off. Luckily, it wasn't that bad. So, guys, I hope this episode helped you out.